Muscle building supplement, proven strategies to excel at creatine. Are you looking to enhance your muscle building journey? Creatine could be the answer you're looking for. Creatine is a popular supplement in the fitness industry. And for a good reason. It is a naturally occurring compound that helps to increase energy levels during high-intensity workouts, leading to improved performance and muscle growth. But, like any other supplement, creatine requires a strategic approach to get the most out of it. In this video, we'll explore some proven strategies to excel at creatine and achieve your muscle building goals. Firstly, it's essential to understand how creatine works. Creatine is stored in the muscles and converted into energy during high-intensity exercises. By supplementing with creatine, you increase the amount of creatine in your muscles, leading to improved energy production and performance. Now, let's dive into the strategies. 1. Timing of creatine intake. It's crucial to time your creatine intake correctly. Studies have shown that taking creatine after a workout is more effective than taking it before a workout. This is because your muscles are more receptive to absorbing creatine after a workout when they are in a state of recovery. 2. Creatine loading phase. The loading phase involves taking a higher dose of creatine for the first week to saturate your muscles with creatine. This strategy has been shown to increase muscle creatine levels quickly, leading to improved performance and muscle growth. 3. Creatine maintenance phase. After the loading phase, you can switch to a lower dose of creatine to maintain your muscle creatine levels. This phase is essential to ensure that you continue to reap the benefits of creatine without overloading your body with unnecessary amounts. 4. Hydration. Creatine can cause dehydration, so it's crucial to stay hydrated when supplementing with creatine. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help prevent dehydration and ensure that your muscles are functioning optimally. In conclusion, creatine is an effective supplement for muscle building, but it requires a strategic approach to get the most out of it. Timing your creatine intake correctly, following the loading and maintenance phases, and staying hydrated are all proven strategies to excel at creatine. So, if you're looking to take your muscle building journey to the next level, consider incorporating creatine into your supplement regimen. And don't forget to stay consistent and committed to your fitness goals. Happy lifting!